Well, the sunshine is nice, but now we are in that deep freeze Caitlin's talking about, and that means the snow is going to be hanging around for a while. Fox 32's Joni Lum shows us how people are cleaning up.
Here in Skokie, when they take care of the side streets, they really plow the side streets. This is happening while people are also taking their shovels to their driveways and sidewalks. Tom Heffling is 79. He said he had to brush the snow off 2 cars, plus shovel his sidewalk and the driveway.
I have dealt with the snow by staying inside. When I walk the dog, long underwear, this thing goes over my ears. Keep going, be careful not to slip.
The snow stopped falling before daybreak, but the work continues to get around it.
I put 500 pounds in the trunk so I don't slip and slide.
That's a good idea. 500 pounds of what?
Sand. Yeah.
So you're prepared?
Yeah, always. I've been in Chicago 55 years. I'm used to it.
How did you keep up with it?
My kids, they helped me yesterday. I made it a fun activity for them after school, so we kind of just all do it together.
IDOT trucks spread salt on state roads. The cold temperatures cause snow to pack and make icy areas even on major streets. This snowstorm wasn't the monster that was predicted, but it did contribute to spinouts and crashes on county roads and highways. Today, it's something to move out and then move forward. Some homeowners said they went out several times to shovel, and for many others, it looks like the snow will still be waiting for them. In Skokie, Joni Lum, Fox 32 Chicago.